Let's try the triple dipper and the bazooki from Chili's.
Get the tube.
A little dip, little dippy poo. Oh, he's going in. Hey, yo. These Chipotle chicken strips are really good. Chipotle mozzarella sticks now. That was a terrible cheese pull. That's sad.
Yeah.
These are good. Oh my. Guys, make sure you go follow Leii. Right, look at these sliders. They look good. Should we dip it in the ice cream?
Yeah, sure.
A little mixy poo in the ice cream. Hey, yo. Oh, he's going in.
Let me do 85.
8.5?
Yeah.
We tried. Hey, yo.
Hey, yo. Cookie, good. I'll do it. 11.
Leii likes his cookies, I will say that. Should I finish this all?
Yeah.
He says, yeah. Oh, shoot. Look at those guns. He's mogging me, chat.
Oh my god.
Love you, Leii.
That's you.
Aww. Okay, what are we going to rate the mozzarella sticks out of 10?
10.
10? I'm going to rate them a 10 as well. Those are really good.
Yeah. Chicken, good. 11.
11 out of 10?
Yeah.
I'm rating the chicken a 9.2 out of 10. Those are pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, the last time I had sliders, they were pretty good. This time they're still decent. I'm going to give them an 8 though. The Chipotle mozzarella sticks were definitely the best. Those were really good.
Yeah.
You can't go wrong with cooking ice cream. Until next Leii and the CJ video, we are out. Peace.
Peace.